Welcome to Phone Breakdown. In this video, we'll compare the Samsung Galaxy A37 and the Samsung Galaxy A35. Let's see which one will win in this comparison and find out which one is better. Let's get started. Samsung Galaxy A37 features a 50-megapixel wide camera with f1.8, and Samsung Galaxy A35 also comes with a 50-megapixel wide camera using f1.8. Both Samsung Galaxy A37 and Samsung Galaxy A35 has an 8-megapixel ultrawide and a 5-megapixel macro. Samsung Galaxy A37 supports 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p up to 60 frames per second, and Samsung Galaxy A35 delivers the same recording options. Samsung Galaxy A37 is powered by the Exynos 1480, while Samsung Galaxy A35 runs on the Exynos 1380 chipset. Both Galaxy A37 and Samsung Galaxy A35 comes with an octa-core CPU, but overall CPU performance is better on the Samsung Galaxy A37. For graphics, Samsung Galaxy A37 features the Xclipse 530 GPU, while Samsung Galaxy A35 uses the Mali G68MP5 GPU. Samsung Galaxy A37 sports a 6.7-inch display, while Samsung Galaxy A35 comes with a slightly smaller 6.6-inch screen. Both phones use Super AMOLED displays. Samsung Galaxy A37 delivers 1080 by 2340 pixels, and Samsung Galaxy A35 matches the same resolution. Samsung Galaxy A37 supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, and Samsung Galaxy A35 also comes with 120 Hz. Samsung Galaxy A37 reaches up to 1900 nits, while Samsung Galaxy A35 goes up to 1000 nits. Samsung Galaxy A37 features Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and Samsung Galaxy A35 also comes with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Samsung Galaxy A37 is available with 6GB and 8GB RAM options, while Samsung Galaxy A35 adds an extra 12GB RAM variant. Samsung Galaxy A37 offers 128GB and 256GB options, and Samsung Galaxy A35 provides the same storage choices. Samsung Galaxy A37 does not support a memory card, while Samsung Galaxy A35 includes a microSD card slot. Samsung Galaxy A37 features a 12-megapixel selfie camera, while Samsung Galaxy A35 comes with a slightly higher 13-megapixel front camera. Samsung Galaxy A37 supports 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 30 frames per second, and Samsung Galaxy A35 offers the same front video recording. Samsung Galaxy A37 packs a 5000 mAh battery, and Samsung Galaxy A35 also comes with a 5000 mAh battery. Samsung Galaxy A37 supports 45-watt fast charging, while Samsung Galaxy A35 is limited to 25-watt charging. Samsung Galaxy A37 and Samsung Galaxy A35 features a plastic frame with a glass back. Samsung Galaxy A37 measures 162.9 by 78.2 by 7.4 millimeters, while Samsung Galaxy A35 is shorter but thicker at 161.7 by 78 by 8.2 millimeters. Samsung Galaxy A37 weighs 195 grams, while Samsung Galaxy A35 is heavier at 209 grams. Both phones come with stereo speakers for a better audio experience. And as expected in this segment, neither of the two offers a 3.5mm headphone jack. Both have under-display optical fingerprint sensors. Both models come with accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass sensors. Network support is the same on both, with full 5G connectivity. Both phones offer the same Wi-Fi 802.11 connectivity. Finally, both phones come with NFC for contactless payments and connectivity. And that wraps up today's breakdown. Here is the final result of the comparison. Tell us in the comments below which one you think is better and why. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Phone Breakdown, and ring the bell icon so you never miss our latest mobile comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.